If you're fighting over the remote right now, whether to watch football or watch the weather, you better be watching the weather. Make me happy here on this Thursday night across the valley. The weekend's coming up too, so we do have some changes coming. We have maybe a little bump in the rain chances by Saturday, but it could be rather windy by Sunday around here. But I think tomorrow looks a lot like today. If you love today's weather, about the same tomorrow. The weekend, though, could see a few showers or storms, not widespread rain, but the moisture increases, so the sea breeze should become a little more active. It's been how should we say, not so active the last couple of days. It's been a couple of small showers or a little brief weak thunderstorm in spots, mainly in Wilsey County, but very little. I think it will be a little more active Saturday. Sunday, though, could be less rain, but more wind. I think the winds have a chance to maybe get kind of gusty during the daytime, even late Saturday night. So wouldn't be surprised to see wind gusts maybe around 30 to 40 miles per hour much of Sunday afternoon. So if you have a barbecue plan, might be blowing your food away. 105 this afternoon, and it should be about that way again tomorrow in Rio Grande City. 103 in San Ysidro for a high tomorrow. Most of Hidalgo County right up there in the upper 90s, but probably near 100 from McAllen and Edinburgh westward, and then most of Cameron and Wilsey counties in the 90s with highs staying in the 80s, at least upper 80s, right at South Padre Island. So your day planner tomorrow goes from near 80 and mostly sunny to about 95 at noon, 99 during the mid-afternoon for an average, but you just saw over 100 in parts of the valley, and then stays rather warm tomorrow, but the winds a little breezy at times. I imagine some gusts may be up around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Future track winds, if you want to see what the computer model shows the winds dying off overnight, and then tomorrow starts off calm in the early part of the day. No, not calm, but a light breeze. And then in the afternoon, you get a little breeze going again, about 15, 20 miles per hour or so through the early evening hours, and then it dies off tomorrow night. Notice on Saturday, we get a little more of a breeze. It shows it being a little gustier at the coast. I imagine winds may pick up a tiny bit more at the island. Wouldn't be surprised to see like 20 or 25 knot winds on the water potentially if you're out at the island on a boat on Saturday. Sunday it starts off maybe a little calmer, but you notice there's a lot more widespread colors in the afternoon. Maybe not just one area concentrated near the coastal wind, but I think a rather breezy or somewhat windy day across the valley. This might be a little underdone. There's a lot of stronger winds aloft that may mix in and create some gusty conditions. As far as rain goes, nothing really tomorrow. I think tomorrow may be almost no rain. It shows one little shower, but I think that's probably, the extent of it, if even that. By the time we get to Saturday, you notice a couple showers pop up. There's more moisture in the air, so you might even get a thunderstorm or two as future track shows. So I think Saturday is our best chance for rain. Put it at about 30%, and then after that, things get less and less by Sunday and Monday. So not saying you're going to get rain Saturday, but if you have plans, just watch the skies. That's probably the best chance out of the next 7 days, only at about 30%, but there might be a few brief downpours on Saturday if the sea breeze gets really active. So highs near 99 tomorrow, but then 96 on Saturday, just a little bit cooler potentially with the clouds mixed in and a couple showers or storms. Sunday, there might be 1 or 2 showers around, but some gusty winds possible. And then next week looks kind of like today, kind of just hot and sunny like